Okay, why? Okay, there we go. I'm back. So where are y'all fighting at? Where? Dude, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Where's the other guy? Oh. Come on, use it, use it, use it, use it, use it. There you go. Watch me hit him out of the sky real quick. Aw. Dang. Oh my god, that almost hit him. I would have been so happy. I'm gonna go ahead and get in circle. I have 2 rifts still, just to let y'all know. Where are they at? I don't even see them. Tonight is the showtime. Where is he? He's... Oh. Oh look, there's another rift. Someone grab that if they need it. I can't hold no more. He rifted again. I have 2 rifts. Where is it? It's us versus, like, 2. Hey, there's one in the tree right here. There's one in the tree right here. Oh crap, he's gonna shoot me. I already feel it. But there's a guy in the tree up here. Where did he go? Well, I don't know where the guy in the tree went. He's gonna camp in there, isn't he? Watch out for a trap if he might place in there. I'm gonna make sure there's no one in here. Ah! Come on, he's... Oh, I see the other guy. I see the other guy. He's in a bush. He's over there. He's over there at the zip line. Nice, nice, nice. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Can we play again? Can we play again, please?